Hello, this is Felicia Townsend coming at you today, taking you on my journey from ordinary to extraordinary. So today's success tip is success tip number 16. How do we do that? 16, that's 10, 5. Okay, so it's 16, 10, 6. All right, so today's success tip is to collect the good. And I bring that up because let me explain what that means. Collect the good. All right. In life, we go through all kinds of stuff, right? Stuff, murky stuff sometimes, and some of that stuff is not very good, and we need to, get to a place where we can learn to shake it off, right? But we carry it. A lot of us, we carry the bad more than we carry the good. In this industry, making money online. I've bought numerous products over the years. I've been a member of different membership sites. I've had products where I couldn't even get a refund that didn't work properly, and I was told that I could have a money back guarantee, no questions asked. And sometimes you sit back and you think, wow, man. I mean, people are some real scam artists, and then it it in a way it can give those people that are really out there doing good a bad rap, you know what I'm saying? Because then you want to attach all that to everybody else. But you're doing yourself a disservice when you do that, because there are products and there's communities and there are companies out there that help a lot of people, and they really have people's hearts and minds in mind when they create products, and they're doing it to help other people. So if you're collecting all the negativity from all the past mistakes or past experiences that you've had with other online marketers or products or companies, and you're attaching that, you're transferring it, as they call it in therapy, you're transferring all that to everybody else, then you're doing yourself a disservice. So stop collecting the negative. Let it go. Let all that stuff detach itself from you, and start carrying with you the good, because when you carry that, when you focus on that, like anything that we talked about with the law of attraction, you attract more of what you're carrying around with you in up here, right? So you want to collect the good, carry the good, so that you can bring more good into your life. All right, so I hope this video has been helpful, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.